Hi guys, and welcome back to Teaching Bee. So in today's lesson, we are going to be working with multiplying using area models with Common Core. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first problem is going to be 3 times 117. So the first step we want to do is write each factor in expanded form. So we have 3, which is already where it's at, 117. So if we want to expand 117, that would bring us to 100 plus 10 plus 7. That's our expanded form. The reason being because our 7's in our 1's place, our 1 is in our 10's place, and then our other one is in our 100's place. So then the second step is to draw an area model. So we have 1 unit by 3. So our 1 unit's going to go over on our left side. So we have our 3. And then we're going to put our expanded form up here of 117. So we have our 100 plus 10 plus 7. From here, we are going to multiply the 3 to the 100, 3 to 10, and 3 to the 7. So 3 times 100 is 300. 3 times 10 is 30. And then 3 times 7 is 21. So then from here, what we need to do is we need to add everything that's inside of our color boxes. So inside our color boxes is going to be 300 plus 30 plus 21. And then you can either add them this way or you can add them straight up and down. So we can do 300, 30, 21, and then add it. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. And then nothing else in our hundreds columns besides our 3. So 300 plus 30 plus 21 is 351. And 3 times 117 is 351. All right, so let's go ahead and do another example. So again, 1 unit by 3. So we have 4 times 423. So the first step, like we said we want to do, is put our both numbers in expanded form if possible. So our 4 is already in expanded form. It's just our single 1's place of 4. But 423, we can break it down to 3, 2 is in our 10, so 20, and then 4 is in our 100, so 400. So if we broke that down and wrote it, we have 400, we have plus 20, plus 3. So that's our expanded form of 423. Second, we have our area model. So we have our 4 off to our left here. And then we're going to put our expanded form of 423 up on top. Our third is to multiply everything within our boxes. So we have 4 times 400, which is going to be 1,600. And if you need me to break these down a little bit more, I could always do that in another video. But then we have 20 times 4, which is our 80. Whoops. And then we have our 4 times our 3. So 4 times 3 is our 12. So again, our last step is to add everything in the boxes straight down. So we have our 1,600 plus 20 plus 12. So if we were to add everything down, 0 plus 0 is 2. And then we have 0 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we have our 6, and drop that down, and our 1, and drop that down. So 4 times 423 is 1,632. All right, let's try another example. Just kind of repetition going on. So we have 5 times a little bit bigger. So instead of a 3-digit, we have a 4-digit. So 5 times 1,324. So we're going to do the same steps. So 5 is in our ones place, so it's already broken down for expanded form. 1,324, if we broke that down, it would be 1,324, and that's going to be multiplied by 5. So then we're going to multiply everything across by 5. So 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. 5 times 300 is 1,500. 5 times 20 is 100. And 5 times 4 is 20. So again, our next step here is going to be adding everything in the boxes straight down. So we have 5,000 plus 1,500 plus 100 plus 20. So we're going to add all of those straight down. So we have zeros straight down. Zeros plus 2, so 2. 0 plus 5 plus 1, which is 6. And then 5 plus 1, which is 6. So 5 times 1,324 is equal to 6,620. Alrighty, starting to see a little pattern going on here. So what if we had 2 digit by 2 digit though? Not 1 digit by 2 or 1 digit by 3 or 1 digit by 4, but 2 digit by 2 digit. We're going to do the same exact steps. So first step that we were doing was breaking each one down into expanded form. So 33 is going to be broken down to 30 and 3. So 30 plus 3. 17 would be broken down in expanded form as 10 plus 7. So we have more boxes here now because we have a 2 digit by 2 digit. So we're going to do the same thing that we did above, but we're going to just add another row. So in this case, we have 33, and we have 17 or 10 and 7. Okay, so then the next step was to multiply everything. So we are going to do that next. So we're going to multiply each one that connects with each other. So we have 30 times 10, which is 300. 30 times 7, so 30 times 7 is going to be 210. We'll write that down in this box over here. Just checking my work. 10 times 3 is 30. And then 7 times 3 is 21. So we did everything as far as multiplying, just like we did above in multiplying. And the next step was to add everything in the boxes. So we're going to do the same exact thing. So we're going to take everything out of the boxes. Doesn't need to be in any exact order, but we have 300. We have our 210. We have 21. And we have 30. So we are going to add all of those straight down, and we'll get our answer. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1. And then we have 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, so 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3, 4, 5. So 33 times 17 is equal to 561. Pretty neat, huh? This is just being able to break it down a little bit better so that we understand what we're multiplying. We could always do the basic 33 times 17 and work with our 10s and our 1s, or our 1s and our 10s, and work straight down that way. But this is just showing like the broader what exactly is being broken down to how we multiply. All right, so we are going to do one last example here. We have 53 times 64. So first step, to break these both down and to expanded form. So 53, so the 5 is in the tens place, so 50. 3 is in the ones place, so 3. 64, 60 is in the tens place, and then 4 is in our ones place. And the zeros are just the fillers for our tens. Now we're going to go ahead and multiply everything within the boxes. So we have 50 times 60, which is going to give us 30 plus 2 more zeros, so 3,000. 50 times 4 is going to give us 20 plus 1 more zero, so 200. 60 times 3 is going to give us 180. And then 3 times 4, which is going to be 12. So then the next step that we have to do is add everything in our boxes. So we have 3,000. And then we also have our 200. And then we have our 180. And we have our 12. So we are going to simply add all of these straight down. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. And then we have 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then we have our 3 here at the end. So 53 times 64 is equal to 3,392. All right? Awesome. If you have any other questions, please put them down in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.